Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. We are starting question number 7 of exercise 10H. Okay, and as you can see in this circle, we have a triangle OAB, which is an isosceles triangle, and then a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, I'm gonna highlight it one more time so that you can recognize it. This is the quadrilateral with 4 sides. Okay, A, B, C, D, and this kind of quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. And in cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite sum of opposite angles is equals to 180 degree. I've written it here. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are always supplementary, which means that they are equals to 180 degree. It means that this angle and the opposite angle A, their sum will be equals to 180 degree, right? Likewise, this angle at D and opposite angle B, their sum will be supplementary, means equals to 180 degree. They have asked you to find the angle OAD, right? This angle OAD. So firstly, what I'm gonna do here is I have this triangle and I know that it's an isosceles triangle. So firstly, I can find this angle very easily here. So to find this angle, I'm gonna first find this angle here, right? I'm gonna find the angle OAB. OAB, and how we can find that? We know that in an isosceles triangle, the sum of two angles, these two angles will be equals, right? And I know that the sum of all the angles is equals to 180 degree. So I'm gonna subtract this angle from 180 degree, right? That will be 70 degree, right? Now I got the sum of these two angles. I'll divide it by 2 to get this angle. 70 over 2 will be 35 degree. So we got the value of this angle. It is 35, right? Now the next step that we're going to do is, we know that in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are equal. So I can find this complete angle now, because we know the sum of this angle BAD, right, the angle at A in quadrilateral, right, and this angle C is equals to 180 degree. So I'm going to find the measure angle BAD in quadrilateral, and to find that, we know 180 degree minus 84 will be this angle, that is 96 degree. If sum is equals to 180 degree and I don't know the value of this angle, it means that if I subtract this angle from 180 degree, then I will get the value of this complete angle. That's what I did here. So we got the value of this angle 96. Now we found this angle BAD, this complete angle, right, which is 96 degree. Now look at this diagram very carefully, then you can see that we know the value of angle OAB and we know the value of angle BAD, this complete angle. And in the question they have asked you to find the measure angle OAD, this angle here. So if I subtract 35 from 96 degree, I will get the value of this angle OAD. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. I'm finding the angle OAD, that will be equals to 96 minus 35, and I will get the value of OAD, the angle that is formed here. So I'm gonna subtract 35 from 96 and it will be equals to 61 degree, and that's all that is required in this question. Thank you.